going, well, actually this weekend I'm going to South Carolina. Fuck it. Hustle on here. Hey, it's Hustle on Kennels. Today we gonna work on a 4-bay kennel. Pretty soon we about to move out the garage. As you can see, the old garage. And we about to move into the new shop. Yeah. So, anyway, yeah, we'll be moving in there. Everything's pretty much done in there. Everything except for electric and installation. I done got my lights, all that kind of stuff. I'm just waiting for the electric guy to get back with me. He should be getting back with me, I guess, in a couple days. He came out here a week ago, said he was kind of busy. So yeah, once we get the electric in the shop, we'll be ready to move into there. And then, you know, as I do stuff in there, I'll probably walk y'all through maybe with the installation, all that type of stuff. Right now, we booked up until February 2022. The big thing right now is materials. I mean, it may seem like all these things I get is easy to get, but between lumber, metal, flooring, even all the way down to screws, it's like, man, I gotta travel everywhere just to get that type of stuff. So anyway, you know, I'm gonna keep doing them. As long as it's a demand for them, I'm gonna keep trying to fulfill that demand. You know, we got a lot of other things in the works right now. I got some litters coming up. Well, I got one litter coming up, but I got 2 females that look like they about to come in heat. So we're probably gonna switch efforts towards the breeding side later this year. We're still gonna try to stick with the kennels because I got stuff I need to build for myself also. And I got some prototypes I wanna try out and all that type of stuff. So, I mean, I'm gonna try to keep coming with the footage for the builds or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, we're probably gonna switch focus towards, you know, the puppies and all that type of stuff as I go forward. You know, I appreciate everybody for watching. You know, I'm trying to get better with the videos, trying to keep them a little more, not necessarily entertaining, but, you know, a little bit more informative without doing the most. You know, a lot of people have told me I need to go more in depth, and I had a lot of people tell me, hey, it's straightforward. I don't necessarily make the videos for people to copy the work. I make the videos for people to see the process. You know, I always enjoy watching the process of people building, you know, building stuff or whatever, whether I was gonna build it or not. You know, and sometimes I might pull a little idea from their process or whatnot, and you know, try to perfect my process. So, you know, that's why I develop these videos, not necessarily for somebody to say, oh, let me take your work and duplicate it step by step. So, all right.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up. another banger. Turn it up. W Beats with another banger. Turn it up. W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.